How China is building their mega railways. Are railways the future of transportation? If so, how is China leading the way? From their record-breaking Maglev trains to ambitious cross-border lines, China is quickly becoming a leader in the world of railways. But just how are they doing it? What challenges are they facing in the process? Stay tuned to find out. At the turn of the 21st century, China lacked any form of high-speed rail infrastructure. Trips like Shanghai to Beijing, which took over 24 hours, were a test of stamina due to the slow average speeds of the country's trains. These days, things look very different. By a wide margin, the most populous country in the world also possesses the most extensive system of high-speed railways. As of now, all the country's major megacity clusters are connected by lines totaling over 23,500 miles in length, all of which have been completed since 2008. Half of the total was finished in the last 5 years. By 2035, the network's length is projected to have increased by a factor of 2, reaching 70,000 kilometers. With top speeds up to 217 miles per hour, numerous lines have broken the monopoly of airplanes on the most popular routes and revolutionized intercity travel. Sign of economic power. China's goal with these new lines is to make high-speed rail the preferred method of domestic long-distance transport, but their importance extends far beyond that. Like Japan's Shinkansen bullet trains did in the 1960s, they represent the country's rising economic might, speedy modernization, advanced technology, and abundant riches. High-speed rail is seen by the Chinese Communist Party and its leader, Xi Jinping, as a means to promote national unity, expand the party's sphere of influence, and bring together regions with very different cultural traditions. What took Western nations decades to accomplish in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, China's accomplishing in a matter of years. China's high-speed rail network is the largest in the world with 37,900 kilometers of lines. In the beginning, China built its network using high-speed technology supplied by Europe and Japan. Bombardier, Alstom, and Mitsubishi, three of the world's largest rail engineering companies, were eager to work together when they saw China's ambitious plans and the scale of the new market. However, because of a remarkable expansion of their own network, domestic companies have become world leaders in high-speed rail technology and engineering during the past decade. China's mega railway construction presents significant challenges. To say that China's railway engineers have their work cut out for them would be an understatement. The country is vast, with wildly varying topography, geology, and temperature. China's railway engineers have quickly amassed a wealth of experience in navigating the challenges presented by the country's varied topography, from the sometimes frozen Harbin in the far north to the near-tropical humidity of the Pearl River Delta megapolis to the 1,776-kilometer Lanzhou-Urumqi line traversing the Gobi Desert. Even though China has been able to avoid the decades-long legal battles that have plagued similar projects in Europe and the United States, the country's rapid growth has not been without its drawbacks. One such drawback is that new lines often need to pay more heed to existing communities along their route. The Wenzhou incident in July 2011 was caused by two trains colliding on a viaduct and derailing, killing 40 people and injuring almost 200 others due to China's high-speed developing pains. The public's faith in high-speed rail was badly shattered by the tragedy, and as a result, all speeds were lowered and development on new lines was halted until the official inquiry was completed. While the network has grown enormously in the past decade, there have been no major events to report. Statistics are typically mind-boggling for those accustomed to the scale of conventional railway construction. A technological showcase of effectiveness. Companies in China are pioneers in the introduction of cutting-edge technologies like driverless railway operation and improved signaling and control systems, not content with simply breaking records for speed, endurance, and civil engineering. China's railway system expansion has been phenomenal. They prove their dedication to better transportation and infrastructure with the mega railways. China has struck a striking balance between developing a cutting-edge rail network and protecting the local ecosystem. Because of this, the country is now at the forefront of environmentally friendly transportation and technology. China will maintain its position as a global transportation leader as long as it invests heavily in expanding its rail network. That's all we got for now. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. And for the time being, we must part ways until our next video.